Leadership the magazine. Presence. Leaders who changed history. Inspired by the past, transforming the future. Great leaders like Barack Obama teach us that change begins with a vision and materializes with action and commitment. Barack Obama, Biography and Achievements. Full name: Barack Hussein Obama II. Date and place of birth: August 4, 1961, Honolulu, Hawaii, United States. Parents: Barack Obama Sr., a Kenyan economist, Ann Dunham, an American anthropologist. Barack Obama spent much of his childhood in Hawaii and briefly in Indonesia when his mother remarried. This multicultural upbringing profoundly shaped his global perspective and commitment to inclusivity. Education. 1. High school. O attended Punahou School in Honolulu, one of Hawaii's most prestigious institutions. 2. Undergraduate education. O began his studies at Occidental College in Los Angeles. O transferred to Columbia University in New York, earning a degree in political science in 1983 with a specialization in international relations. 3. Law school. O attended Harvard Law School, graduating magna cum laude in 1991. He became the first African-American president of the prestigious Harvard Law Review, a significant milestone. Professional career before politics. 1. Community organizer, 1985 to 1988. After graduating, Obama worked as a community organizer in Chicago, helping marginalized communities in the South Side improve housing and employment conditions. 2. Professor of Constitutional Law. For over a decade, Obama taught constitutional law at the University of Chicago, focusing on civil rights, justice, and the U.S. Constitution. 3. Civil rights attorney. He worked at Davis, Minor, Barnhill, and Galland, advocating for social justice, civil rights, and fighting against discrimination. Political career. 1. Illinois State Senator, 1997 to 2004. Advocated for government transparency and ethics reforms. Supported initiatives to reform the criminal justice system and improve healthcare access for low-income families. 2. U.S. Senator from Illinois, 2005 to 2008. Elected to the U.S. Senate in 2004. Focused on key issues such as ethics reform and government transparency. Nuclear non-proliferation. Support for veterans and military families. Obama gained national recognition after delivering a unifying and inspiring speech at the 2004 Democratic National Convention. Presidency of Barack Obama, 2009 to 2017. Barack Obama became the 44th President of the United States and the first African American to hold the office. He served 2 consecutive terms. First term, 2009 to 2013. Second term, 2013 to 2017. Key achievements during his presidency. 1. Health care reform, Obamacare. Implemented the Affordable Care Act, 2010, providing health insurance to millions of previously uninsured Americans. 2. Response to the global economic crisis, 2008 to 2009. Led efforts to stabilize the economy after the Great Recession. Approved a $787 billion stimulus package, saving key industries, such as the auto industry, and creating millions of jobs. 3. Nobel Peace Prize, 2009. Awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to strengthen diplomacy and promote international cooperation. 4. Restoration of U.S.-Cuba relations. In 2015, Obama restored diplomatic relations with Cuba after more than 50 years of hostilities, marking a historic step toward reconciliation. 5. Iran nuclear deal, 2015. O negotiated the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, to curb Iran's nuclear program in exchange for easing economic sanctions. 6. Ending the Iraq War. O fulfilled a campaign promise by withdrawing U.S. troops from Iraq in 2011. 7. Combating terrorism. O under his leadership, U.S. Special Forces located and killed Osama bin Laden in 2011, a major blow to al-Qaeda. 8. Climate change initiatives. O promoted policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. O signed the Paris Agreement, 2015, a global commitment to combat climate change. 9. Advancing civil rights. O supported the legalization of same-sex marriage, ensuring equality for the LGBTQ+ community. O championed initiatives to reform the criminal justice system and address racial disparities. Post-presidency life. Since leaving office in 2017, Barack Obama has remained a highly influential global figure. 1. The Obama Foundation. O founded the Obama Foundation, which focuses on empowering young leaders and promoting social change worldwide. 2. Author and public speaker. O. Obama has written several acclaimed books, including Dreams from My Father, 1995, a personal memoir of his youth. The Audacity of Hope, 2006, an analysis of American politics and unity. A Promised Land, 2020, a detailed reflection on his first presidential term. 3. Philanthropy and advocacy. O alongside his wife, Michelle Obama, he has promoted initiatives focused on education, health, and equal opportunity. Legacy of Barack Obama. Barack Obama's legacy is defined by his vision of hope, change, and unity. He remains a symbol of progress, perseverance, and leadership. His historic presidency broke barriers and inspired millions worldwide, especially marginalized communities.